My folks, what an exciting time. What an exciting time. What a perfect time to pull up the charts. I am building a long position right now. We got a $4 million position. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin. I'm a little excited about this one. So we got a couple time frames to look at. There is some cross action, tough acting, tenactin. This is a little dangerous. This position is going to be a little dangerous. The 4 hour, we have VWAP, oscillation, curving out, coming up to the upside. Money flow overall looks like it's coming up. The 2 hour, same thing, enhanced. Look at that VWAP oscillation coming up. It is on the tail end of a big momentum wave. So a lot of times it can kind of be like this. We don't know that for a fact. We don't want to assume the shape, but I'm probably looking for a target of like 61, 62s. And if we get lucky and it goes up, okay. So a little chance there. We're looking for a little scalp here. Now, on the minute time frames, the minute time frames, we've been expecting, obviously this drop in price is expected. We just had momentum clip right here, momentum clip right here, which is right here. So this is all totally normal. I am looking for momentum to curve back up. Ooh, man. Ooh, we're gonna add a little more. Okay, 4.5 mil. Okay. What are the other bigger time frames looking like? What about the 3-day and the 2-day? Looking at the 3-day, obviously this was an amazing play, both right here and right here. These were both amazing shorts and good longs reverse. But what I'm seeing, I'm not looking for anything, but what I'm seeing is this momentum gonna come and clip? Is this VWAP gonna come and clip? Is this money flow gonna reverse back up to the upside, or is it gonna continue down? Don't really know yet on this time frame. This is the 3-day. So let's go to the next time frame over, the 2-day. Now on the 2-day, we see momentum starting to kind of clip here. VWAP oscillation, slightly outwardly curved. Again, if price is going up, you want to see it outwardly curved up as opposed to inwardly curved where it would come back down and go back down lower. Depends on if you're looking long or looking to short. You know what you want. If we're longing, we want it to go like this. Damn trading view making my drawing horrible. Let's look at the daily. The daily momentum has clipped. Not the best money flow. The RSIs are nice, and we are kind of smack dab in the middle of these spider lines. Let's go to standard candle, see where we're at here. Have a little pullback here. Super volatile areas. Okay, now the 1 hour. The 1 hour, really, we got momentum maybe going for us. That's kind of about it. It's a little choppy. RSIs are coming down, but really, it's really this pattern. This pattern we've been seeing repeat on multiple time frames since we had the 30% drop, where the candles come down, sideways, and then it just pops up. So I'm liking this candle price action, this pattern. The 25-minute, well, hopefully, I mean, this is the kind of the downward action we're looking for. We don't want to enter at the top. We want to enter at the bottom, right? And so we just had this 10-minute drop. Boy, damn, I kind of got lucky on this one. Kind of got lucky again. Maybe. We're going to find out. Maybe this trade doesn't work out. We don't know yet. Maybe this thing falls through. I don't know yet. Okay, so the 5-minute, still again, choppy, kind of very choppy, but it is kind of overall coming up. The price goes up and down. It goes up, down, up, down. Maybe I get out of this at 60,800. Maybe it goes in the 61s. I'm long in this little bottom. We're long in this little bottom, and hopefully catching something here, whether it's a small fish or a big fish. Small wins, small losses, big wins. A consistent catching of small fish feeds the family. A big fish feasts. A family will feast on a big family. Big fish. You know, there's really nothing new on the bigger time frames. There's really nothing new to report there. And we don't really care. We don't really care right now about what's going to happen in a month from now, 2 months from now. We'll deal with that when that time comes. Right now, I am longing this little bottom and seeing what's going to happen. I think I can at least get something out of this, even if it's 50 or 100 grand. I think I can get something out of this, maybe even into the 61s. We got a couple time frames rooting for us. This 4 hour is my favorite time frame. This 4 hour is my favorite time frame. You know, if we draw it out, maybe money flow comes up a little bit. Take the measuring tool. How long is that? Ooh, 3 days. Oh, we got a day, 3 days. So we might be in this one for some time. This might take some time. And we're also coming up to an area of resistance. We have 3 spider lines. We've been in these super volatile ranges where in the past down here, the price action just slices all the way through. Same with this one. This area, and this area. Price action slices all the way through most of the time. We sliced through 2 of them. We're coming back. We're ranging. We're trading, baby. We're ranging and we're trading. MarketCypherTrading.com. We have 30% off with code DUMP. Code DUMP. Maybe we should change it to PUMP. Let me get this video out so, you guys can make your own decisions. God bless you.